Hello and welcome to the Bhumi product videos. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the next property, which is called connector server startup timeout. This property determines the amount of time a listener is allowed for initialization. For listener processes, initializing the listener is a part of the deployment process. While initialization is pending, the atom is prevented from executing other actions. Failure to initialize a listener before timeout occurs result in a deployed but offline listener, just as it does in the case of any other exception. For example, a class not found error. The display name of the property is connector server startup timeout. The underlying property name is com.boomi.container.connectorserver.startup timeout. The default value is set for 15 minutes. So this is all today about this property. In our next video, we'll discuss more about connector trace logging. Thank you.